So the second conversion question is the following one. So it's commonly happens that throughout word problems you're going to run into this. So let's take a look at, I'm kind of making up the numbers, but 25 kilometers per hour I would like to convert to meters per second. So in this case, for the following conversion, you kind of have to know what this kilo stands for, and obviously hours, seconds. So in terms of your time, you should be aware that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and then a minute obviously equals to 60 seconds. Okay, but you'll be surprised that many students sometimes forget this, so hopefully you won't. Okay, so if you take a look at this question, let's see what happens. So this is a little bit more challenging than the previous one. So we have 25 kilometers an hour, and now how do I convert everything we have to meters per second? So I always start with the numerator, the top, in terms of units, and again it's just a cancellation, so I don't want to have kilometers, so I'm going to put kilometers at the bottom because now these two will cancel. Now obviously I want to try to have meters on top. Well, I know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So that will cancel my kilometers, so that's out of the way, and I have my meters like I wanted. Now next, okay, so I'm not done because I have meters on top, but I still have hours at the bottom. I don't want to have hours at the bottom or in the denominator here, so I'm going to get rid of them. Now I know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so now my hours are canceled, and secondly, I also know that I don't want to have minutes here because I'm looking for seconds. So I want to get rid of minutes. So here I'm going to put minutes, and I know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that cancels out the minutes, and all I have left is seconds. Okay, just like I wanted. So here at the top I have meters, and here at the bottom I have seconds. Notice that everything else has been crossed off. Okay, so all the way. Okay, these are the only two things remaining, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I run out of space here, so I'm going to write this out, okay, in the following way. Now I can bring in the calculator and get what the answer here is. So we have 25 times 1,000, and then I'm going to divide by 60, and again I'm going to divide by 60. So that equals to 6.9 and a bunch of 4s. Okay, so now for this, I'll write this out, 6.9 and a bunch of 4s. So here, I'm going to put dot, dot, dot. Okay, and of course now this is in meters per second. So if you're asked to round to a particular decimal number or decimal place, you can. And if you're not, then always stick with significant figures. So again, all of these conversions are exact, so we don't worry about them. Now this right here has 2 sig figs. Okay, so that means I can now round this, okay, to 2 significant figures. Okay, and I'm going to be rounding to right here. This 4, okay, is going to leave that alone. So I have 6.9 meters per second. Okay, that's it. Done. Question completed. Okay, so hopefully you can follow this procedure by yourself. Okay, take care.